Hello students, Teacher Carol is back to teach you some more math skills. Let's take for example, you have two different type of cars of 5 each, and then you have to count them 2 plus 2 plus 2, which takes a lot of time. In your previous class you have learned addition. Now I will teach you multiplication, because multiplication, if you multiply 2 by 5, as you have these two different types of cars and 5 each, if you sit counting them, it takes you more longer. But if you multiply 2 into 5, which will be easier, and it's like magic, and that's how I teach you to learn tables. But to do multiplication, you need to learn your tables. So for today, we are going to do tables. Let's learn table of 2. Teacher is going to teach you some ideas and tricks how to learn the table of 2. Here we have a grid 5 by 2. The top line, we have numbers, even numbers written in the ones place 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. In the bottom line, we have in the ones place 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Now, in the tens place, we are going to write number 0 in front of 2. In the tens place again, we write another 0. We take another 0 before 6 in the tens place, and we write another 0. In the front of number 8 in the tens place, we got to write the fourth 0. Now we'll take number 1 and write in front of the 0 in the tens place. So in our first row we get 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 now. In the second bottom line, in the ones place, we will write 1 in the tens place. Again, we will write 1 in front of 4 in the ones place. We take another 1 and we write 1 in the tens place. Again, we write 1 and we get 18. Here, we don't write 1, but we write number 2. What we have got now is a table of 2. That is, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. Isn't it easy? We've just put the numbers, even numbers, in the order of 2, 4, 6 and 8 with a 0, and we get what is a 2 times table. Now let's learn the 3 times table. To do the 3 times table, we need to draw a grid of 3 by 3. You can see I have drawn 3 lines and I have made a grid of 3 by 3. In the ones place, I have written from bottom to top on my right side. I have taken numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this manner, from bottom to top, I have taken that order, like 1, 2, 3 in the ones place, 4, 5, 6 again in the middle row, 7, 8, 9. In that order, I have taken from ascending order, I have gone and I have written my numbers, and here I have a 0. Now, I am going to write in the first row using a 0 in the tens place. If I write here before 3 a 0, another 0 before 6, and I take another 0 before 9. So I have 3, 6 and 9 having a 0. In the middle row, I am going to use number 1 in the tens place. So the numbers in white are in the tens place. And here in my middle row, I get 12, 15 and 18. My third row, I am going to write number 2 in the tens place. Here I get 21, here I get the number 24, and here I get number 27. Now my 0 is all alone. I will write, since it is a table of 3, I am going to write number 3 in the tens place. Now let's see what has happened. What is the trick here? What we have done is we have made a grid, and in the ones place we have written numbers in ascending order from bottom to top, like 1, 2, 3. In the middle row 4, 5, 6, and in the last row we have taken 7, 8, 9. The first top row we have used zeros for the 3 digits. 0 before 3, 0 before 6 and 0 before 9. Let's say our 3 times table is ready. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. I think by doing this way, you're going to learn your tables quickly. Isn't it easy and fast? Using the number wheel, we will learn the table of 4. Let's play with numbers and have fun and learn the table of 4. 4 into, this is a multiplication sign, number 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. Let's see what 4 into 2 is equal to. So 4 into 2 gives us 8. So 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. So, did you get it now? Do the 4 times table. We have just finished with the table of 4. Let's have fun with the table of 5. It is the easiest. It's 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. 5 threes gives us 15. 5 fours gives us 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. You might have seen the table of 5 on the clock every 5 minutes. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10 and 10 plus 5 gives you 15. So on the clock we have the table of 5. For the 6 time table, it is a little complicated, but it is easy if you follow how teacher goes about it. For the 3 times table, we will make 2 grids, 3 by 3. So let's take the first grid. So we have 2 grids here. 3 by 3. The first one in blue and the second one in black. Here there are 3 rows, top row, middle row, bottom row. Similarly, we have the top, middle and the bottom row. In the ones place, to write numbers that will start from the bottom towards the left, like number 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, we go from the bottom, we write 4, 5 and 6. Here we come to the bottom, we write 7, we write 8 and we climb up to number 9. Here also in your second grid, we are going to write in the same manner. We will write from descending order, that is 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we have the numbers written as 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the same order we have the 2 squares in which are divided into 2 grids of 3 by 3. Here we are going to write the number 0. Here too we will write the number 0. In the first column of the top column or the top row, we are going to make a 0, another 0 and another 0. In the second row, we are going to write in the tens place number 1. In the bottom row, we are going to write number 2. In our second grid, so we have already written 0, 1 and 2 in the tens place. Here we are going to write number 3 in the tens place. In the second middle row, we are going to write number 4. In the third row, we are going to write 5. Now you have 2 sets of numbers in the 2 grids. Now what we do is, we are going to make a diamond shape. So we start with 6 because our table of 6. So we go to 6 and we form a diamond. So we have a diamond. Similarly, we'll do the same. We go to the top middle number and then we come down to the bottom, go back to the middle and we get another diamond here. So we have 2 diamonds in 2 different grids. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to circle that we find the table of 6. How do we go with it? We are going to circle using a green color. 6 ones is 6. Here we get 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos is 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. Let's find out here. 6 fives is 30. And here is our 0. So we are going to write number 3 here. And we get 6 fives are 30. Now We go to the second grid and we get our number 6 6 So 6 6 is 36, and here is 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. And 6 10s are 60. Let's recite the table with teacher. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. And 6 10s are 60. I've written the 6 times table. So let's climb the mountain. Go up the mountain and come down the mountain. It is here 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. And 6 10s are 60. Now let's learn the 7 times table. For a 7 times table, again we do a grid of 3 by 3. In the ones place, in the top column, we are writing numbers 1, 2, 3. The leftmost column, the middle one, from 3, we go to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the order to be followed in the ones place. And then we write 0 to the rightmost corner. Now in the tens place, in the first row, we are going to use a 0. So in the tens place, we have a 0. In the middle column, middle row, we are going to write number 1 in the tens place. The last, we will write number 2 in the tens place. Now we have number 2. So we have 0, 1, 2. Now we write here number, in the middle row we write 2. We write number 3 in the tens place. And we write number 4. Now keep in mind, we repeat the number 4 in the third row. The bottom row, we repeat number 4 in the tens place. And so, we write here number 4. Next, we write number 5. So, the order is 4, 5 and 6. Here we have 0, 1, 2. In the middle row, we have 2, 3, 4. In the bottom row, we repeat the number 4 and we go in the sequence of 4, 5 and 6. And in our last row, we write number 7. So the numbers in black are in the tens place and the numbers in orange are in the ones place. Now what we have done is we have got a table of 7. 7 ones are 7. And 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Wow, we got the table of 7 right. Remember your table of 2? We had done a similar manner where we used even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. But here it's just the opposite. We are going to use even numbers but backwards. That is 8, 6, 4, 2, 0 in the ones place. Similarly, it's a grid of 2 by 5 and it has numbers backwards 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. in the ones place. Now to get the table of 8, we have to write numbers which in the tens place, that will give us the table of 8. So in the tens place, we will first write, here we put the 0 in the tens place. So we are going to use number 1 in the tens place in the second group. Then we have to follow the order 0, 1, 2, 3, and the next number is 4. Here we are going to repeat the number 4 again, the same way that we have done previously. So now we are going to write number 4 in the bottom line in the tens place. Then we take number 5. So it's going to be a sequence of 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we go, we get the 8 times table. That is, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8s are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. So we have got, by writing in ones place, the ones in black are the numbers, even numbers written in black, which are 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0 in the ones. And in the tens place, we have an order like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But please keep in mind, there's an extra 4 which we have used in the bottom line, where we repeated the 4, and then we have the sequence as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To teach you the table of 8, it's just simply writing numbers. We make 2 parallel lines, like 2 lines. Here we write the number 0. We get the number 0. We write 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we reach to 4, we repeat that 4 again. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We stop at the number 8. And the other side, we start with the number 8 with the even numbers. So 8, 6, 4, 2, and then we write a 0. When we reach 0, we write the numbers backward again. So we write 8, 6, 4, 2 and a 0. What have you noticed here? The table of 8, you get the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Let's learn the 9 times table on our fingertips. So hold your hands like this. My left hand, the left thumb is my number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right hand becomes, the little finger is number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have the left hand thumb as number 1 and the right hand thumb as number 10. When I fold one finger on my left, I get 9 fingers after I folded my finger. So when I have my hands like this open, I have my thumb folded, and there are no numbers adjacent to the thumb on the left hand side. All the numbers are this end, and the numbers are 9. So 9 fingers counting the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here it is a 0, since there is no number. So we get a 9 ones are 9. Now I close my number 2. And when I close my number 2, the number that is there, the side before the finger close is 1. And after the finger close is numbers are 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 and 8 makes 18. So 9 twos are is 18. I close the third finger. When I close the third finger, I have 2 numbers towards my left. And I have 7 numbers towards my right of the finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes 2 and 7 makes 27. 9 threes is 27. I close my fourth finger. And when I close my fourth finger, I have towards my left 3 fingers. And towards my right, I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 3 and 6 makes 36. And 9 fours are 36. Now I close my fifth finger and I find that towards the left of that finger there are 4 and towards the right are 5. So 4 and 5 make 45. So 9 fives are 45. Now I close my sixth finger. And when I close my sixth finger, towards my left I have 5. And towards my right, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 and 4 makes 54. And that is 9 6 is 54. Now I close my 7th finger and towards my left, I have 6. And towards my right, I have 3. 9 sevens is 63. I close my 7th finger and I see that I have 8 fingers towards my left. 5 plus 2, that makes 7. So my 8th finger is closed and my 7 fingers are towards my left. That means 9 8s are 72. I close my 9th finger and I get towards my right 1 and towards my left there are 8 fingers. 5 plus 3 becomes 8 and 8 and 1 makes 81. So 9 nines is 81. I close my 10th finger and I find I have 9 towards my left and there's a 0 towards my right. So 90, and that is 9 tens are 90. Isn't it easy? Another way of learning the 9 times table is I have made a ladder and I have written here descending order and ascending order. By putting numbers in descending and ascending order, we have number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and a 0. The ascending order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. What do you see? You see numbers red numbers in the ones place and in the descending order, and in the tens place you see in blue that they are in ascending order. So ascending from 0 to 9 and descending 9 to 0. So 0 and 9 makes, that means 0 plus 9 gets you 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 2 and 7 27, 9 fours are 3 and 6 36, 9 fives are 4 and 5 45, 9 6 are 5 and 4 54, 9 sevens are 6 and 3 63, 9 eights are 7 and 2 72, 9 nines are 8 and 1 81, and 9 and 0 makes 90. I hope you all have enjoyed learning tables using the different tricks that teacher has taught you, and I hope the class was very interesting. And so when we do multiplication, all my students will be ready with their tables. Thank you and take care.